Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the velocity edit in CapCut to add a cool speed effects to your videos. Let's get started. First, open a CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Then tap on the video clip in your timeline to select it. Then scroll down through the bottom menu and tap speed. Choose a curve instead of normal. Select Custom and you'll see a curve with 5 bit points. Tap and drag the dots up to speed up or down to slow down at specific points. You can also tap Add Bit to insert more points for detailed control. And once done, tap the check mark to apply the velocity effects. And that's how you create an awesome velocity edits in CapCut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tricks and tips. Thanks for watching.